Data collection is the first and arguably the most important step in data science process. The quality and quantity of data that is collected can have a significant impact on the accuracy and usefulness of insights that are generated. There are two main types of data that can be collected in data science. Structured data is the data that is organized in a specific format such as spreadsheet or databases. This type of data is easy to work with and can be analyzed using tools like SQL or Excel. Example of structured data include customer information, sales data, and weather information. Unstructured data, on the other hand, is not organized in a specific format. This type of data include text, images, audio, and video. Unstructured data is more difficult to work with, but it can contain valuable insight. For example, your social media post, your customer reviews, and news articles. There are several methods for collecting data in data science. Surveys are a popular method for collecting structured data. Surveys can be conducted online or in person, and they can be used to gather information about a wide range of topics such as customer preference, opinions, and demographic. Web scraping is a technique for collecting data from websites. Data can be scraped from individual pages or an entire website using tools like Python's Beautiful Soup library or R's Reward package. Many websites and services provide APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow data to be collected and accessed programmatically. This is a common method for collecting data from social media platforms, weather services. In some cases, data is available for a purchase from a data provider. This can be a quick and easy way to obtain large amounts of data, but it can be expensive and may not be as relevant as the data collected specifically for a project. It's been Data Science 101, Data Collections. Subscribe for more such videos and we will meet in another one.